If I think about it, ecology has always been part of my life. Growing up, we spent a lot of time outdoors. My dad was someone who very patiently explained many things we could find in our garden. We would go on long walks, and he always had an answer to anything related to the natural environments. He was the one who made delicious food at home, and he used to buy organic food before it was cool to buy organic food. So I guess that, yeah, it has always been part of me. But the first time I started noticing that it was missing was when I moved to bigger cities to live. In my last year of my studies, the dean of my school suggested that I look into The Circular Economy by Ellen MacArthur. And so I will go on YouTube and I type in Circular Economy, Ellen MacArthur. I find I click on the first video that I see, and it was like a 30-minute video, and I had to stop it 3 times as I was watching it because I got so excited. I could just feel this rush of energy coming to my body, and I remember thinking, this is it. This is what I want to do. This makes so much sense to me. And so ever since then, I've been really working towards that. Because really, sustainability is a big word that means many things. It can be used in so many different directions. So I think I'd rather stick to the term of circular economy because for me, that's the end goal. That is the finish line. That is, what I'm striving to.